And good morning, guys. And I woke up. I'm really late. Yeah, like running out of time, and I still have like 1 hour to reach the airport. And after this, I will miss my flight, guys. And I like it. I like usually to play that game with the snoozer, and it's like your alarm ring, and you just and say, okay, let's go for 5 minutes. Then five. It's actually like 8. Yeah, you see. And I snooze again. And I need to be at the airport at 9. And the airport is like 1 hour from here. And the flight is at 10. So guys, I really need to be like really quick. Yeah, really packed and ready to go. Hope I will not miss my flight, guys. Like really, I slept really bad last night, and let's go. Yeah, I'm really late. Just check out from the hotel, and I will try to grab the first bus since like I hope there is no traffic jam, and reach the airport. It's the KLA2 for the AirAsia company, and it takes like around an hour to reach there. And if there is a little bit of traffic jam, it's gonna be a problem. How's the departure? Just ordered to the AirAsia flight in the pursuit of Bali, going to Bali, and till now there is no one. I don't have the window seat. It's maybe not a good time, but believe me, in Asia you want to travel in the window seat because like, you'll have the best view and all this. You'll have like this new perspective of drone view. Yeah, see you on the other side, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly give way for other guests to proceed to their seats. Please.
I just made it to Bali, just arrived at Tambasa airport. Gonna go through the immigration stuff since I have my luggage made with me, so I don't need to go to the baggage claim, and hopefully like it's a good thing. There is no much people waiting for it. Yeah, we made it through the immigration. Going now to find the cheapest way to reach the hotel. I will be staying for my first night in Canggu. Why Canggu? Because I like Canggu. Canggu is cheap, and you have like some place to chill out by night, and you have like some nice temple near the beach. And yeah, I would like to visit one of the great people I met last time. So yeah, this is why Canggu. See you out, guys. Yeah. Just made it to the hotel, like the Canggu Hostel Fan Surfer. Yeah, I think that's the name. So it's just like dorms with 4 beds each one and a swimming pool. And if you go a little bit far, you are near all the activities that you can do in Canggu. I'm really tired. I'm going for some work, like videos and stuff, try to get something to eat. I didn't eat from the breakfast or the dinner of yesterday. Yeah, the late iced lemon tea of yesterday in Kuala Lumpur. And see you later, guys.